This video is part of our Ethical Hacking and Cybersecurity educational series, and it is created only for learning and awareness, not for illegal activity. In this episode, we will learn about email security, public Wi-Fi risks, identity theft, and cyber ethics. Email is one of the most common ways attackers try to fool people. Phishing emails, fake company mails, malicious attachments, and urgent scare messages are widely used to trick users into clicking links or sharing personal details. Always check the real sender address. Avoid clicking unknown links. Do not download attachments from strangers. And remember that banks and companies never ask for passwords or OTPs through email. Next, public Wi-Fi feels convenient, but it is risky because attackers on the same network may try to intercept traffic or trick users with fake Wi-Fi networks. Avoid banking, important logins and password entry on public Wi-Fi, turn off file sharing, forget the network after use, and prefer mobile data for sensitive work. Then, identity theft happens when someone steals your personal information, such as your name, phone number, ID details, banking info, or social media login, and uses it to impersonate you, commit fraud, take loans, hack accounts, or scam others. Common methods include phishing links, fake job offers, romance scams, lottery fraud, fake investment schemes, and pretending to be customer support. Protect yourself by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, avoiding oversharing online, verifying before sending any ID documents, and monitoring your bank alerts. If you ever become a victim, immediately inform your bank. Change all passwords and report the case to cybercrime authorities while keeping evidence like screenshots and messages. Finally, cyber ethics means using technology responsibly. Illegal hacking includes accessing accounts without permission, hacking Wi-Fi, stealing data, spreading malware, or committing online fraud, all of which can lead to serious legal consequences. Ethical hacking means testing systems only with permission, reporting vulnerabilities responsibly, and learning cybersecurity in a legal and professional way. Always practice on your own devices or legal labs and use your knowledge to protect others, not to harm. The goal of this series is to build awareness, encourage safe internet practices, and promote responsible learning. Stay ethical, stay aware, and stay cyber smart.